Every electronic circuit you've ever used, from your phone charger to your computer, has one tiny but powerful hero, the resistor. Today, let's understand what a resistor is, how it works, and why it's so important. Resistors come in many types. The common carbon film resistor, metal oxide for higher precision, wire-wound resistors for power handling, tiny SMD resistors in modern gadgets, and adjustable potentiometers you often see as volume knobs. A resistor's job is simple. It resists the flow of electric current. The more resistance, the harder it is for current to pass. This follows Ohm's law. Voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. That's why resistors are used to control voltage and current in almost every circuit. But how do we know the value of a resistor? That's where the color code comes in. Each band of color represents a number. For example, brown, black, red with a gold band at the end means 1 kiloohm with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. In real devices, resistors protect components from too much current, divide voltages, and set operating conditions for chips and LEDs. Without them, most electronics simply wouldn't work. So next time you see a tiny resistor on a board, remember, it's not just a colored piece of hardware, it's the quiet guardian of your electronics.